Data loss can happen to anyone, whether from accidental deletion, formatting, or a system crash. In this video, I'll show you how to recover lost or deleted files from any drive using EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. It works with hard drives, SSDs, external drives, SD cards, and more. For this tutorial, I'll be using a USB drive to demonstrate the recovery process. First, make sure your drive is connected. In my case, it's a USB drive. Now open the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. On the main screen, you'll see a list of drives on the right side. On the left side, there are options like SD card, Linux, RAID, and crashed PC. Since I'm recovering data from a USB drive, I'll select it and click on Search for Lost Data to start the scan. EaseUS now begins an advanced scan. This process digs deep to find deleted, formatted, or lost files. It might take some time, depending on the size and condition of your drive, so be patient. While the scan is running, let's talk more about what EaseUS can do. This software is capable of recovering hundreds of gigabytes, even terabytes, of lost data, depending on the storage capacity and condition of your drive. It supports over 1,000 file types, including photos, videos, documents, emails, compressed files, and more. It's also widely used in professional environments, especially for recovering project files, large video footage, or archived documents from corrupted or formatted drives. One of the best features is file preview. You can see what you're recovering before actually restoring it. This saves time and helps avoid unnecessary clutter. Once scanning is complete, EaseUS automatically starts repairing corrupted files that were found. This step may also take a few minutes if the file count is high or the files are severely damaged. Again, stay patient here, because the results are often worth it. Even files that seem permanently damaged can be repaired and brought back to life. When the entire process finishes, you'll get a notification that recovery is complete. The recovered files are now neatly organized in categories on the left: pictures, videos, documents, audio, and other files. Let's say you need to recover photos. Click on the Pictures tab, and you'll see all the recovered image files. You can select all of them or choose specific ones you want to restore. The same applies to other categories. Just browse through videos, documents, audios, and others as needed. Once you've selected the files, click Recover, then choose a folder on your PC to save the files. Click Select Folder, and the recovery is done. And that's how you can recover lost or deleted data from any drive using EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Whether you've lost a single file or entire folders worth hundreds of gigabytes, EaseUS makes the recovery process smooth and reliable. From personal use to professional-level data restoration, it's one of the most powerful tools available. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who may be facing similar issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.